Marseille, France's oldest city. And you're stuck snapping photos from a moving coach. A rushed group tour, 10 minutes at the Basilica, then straight back on the bus, no time to actually feel this city. Uvamai's Marseille self-guided audio tour puts the whole city in your hands. Your access link lands straight in your inbox with professional narration and an interactive map ready whenever you are. No group, no fixed schedule, just Marseille at your pace for up to 6 days. Climb to Notre-Dame de la Garde and hear why locals call her La Bonne Mère. Wander the viewport and Le Panier's oldest streets. Learn the legend behind Chateau d'If, the island fortress that inspired the Count of Monte Cristo. Walk Le Canebière and lose yourself in the formal gardens of Parc Longchamp. 14 stops. Your Marseille. Your story. Travelers from around the world have chosen Uvamai because they wanted to actually understand Marseille, not just photograph it. Real stories. Real freedom. Real discovery. $6. 14 Marseille landmarks. Get your access link now at uvamai.com.